Hi guys, guess what I have?
Okay, show me what you got.
popmart.
Popmart bag. What did you get?
A
What did you get there?
monster.
You got a monster? LABUBU?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's a blind box from popmart. Very popular now, impossible to get. We were able to get one, barely. Okay, let's see. We don't know which one. Okay, so let me see. It's called Have a Seat.
Have a
Collection.
seat.
So collection is called Have a Seat. Let's see what else. What does it say? The monsters. And here are the monsters. Let me see. Okay, I'm not sure how to pronounce some of them. Hehe, Sisi, Dada, Zizi, Baba, Gugu, and there's a secret one. The secret one is called what? Dudu? Okay, I think it's Dudu, and it's brown. Okay, let's see. Let's see which one. Let's open it up. I want the brown one, the secret one, the limited edition.
How do we open it?
Okay, just open it here. You have to open it here. Pull it. Okay. The moment of truth. I think it's a baggie inside actually. I think you cannot see it yet.
Yeah.
It's a baggie. Okay, it looks brown. Okay, no, but I think it's just a picture of everything. What does it say? Let's see, let's see. Have a seat, Sisi. Oh, I think we got a Sisi.
No, I don't think we did.
I think we probably got a Sisi. Oh no. I wanted the one with open eyes. I wanted like a Dada or a Google? QQ. Or Baba. Okay, we'll see. Can you open it up?
How do we do it?
Oh look, here is it. It is. Look, you can open here. Oh, yeah, I think it's the yellow one, right? It's the yellow one! Show it to me! The eyes are closed! Oh, okay. It's still cute, right?
Yeah.
You like it? It's so soft.
Yeah.
Fluffy one. Aww. It is so precious. So precious. Okay, it's supposed to have this.
Is it fake?
No, we bought it from popmart. It cannot be fake. If it's fake, it'd be weird.
You can move the head.
You can move the head. Oh, I think you can move the head all the way. Yeah. Just be careful, don't break it. Yeah, it moves the head. And you can attach it to your purse. Well, it's good with my white purse.
Yeah.
Show it to me again.
Oh.
So the card that comes with the outside there, it's the one that you get. It's precious. It's pretty. Sisi. Good. Okay, you happy?
Yeah.
Wanted to get them. So bad. Everybody's trying to get them right now. It's so difficult
You're
to
gonna touch it.
get one. Okay, just wait a minute. Not yet. Everybody's trying to get them. We barely got one today. And we had to go and pick it up at the store.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think?
Good.
So cool. So cool, we got it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you get one. If you like them, I hope you get one. We'll make another video telling you how we managed to snatch one. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.